How to share your UID in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share it with others. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. Now, on the top, simply tap on your profile icon. Here on the right top, there's an editing button. Simply select this editing button. So this is the profile section where you can customize your profile. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to see a section called Bigo ID. Simply tap on Bigo ID. So basically, this is the Bigo ID that you have. Every user have their own Bigo ID. Now you can simply select it and copy and share it with others, and your friends and other people whom you want to invite will be able to add you and even watch your stream live. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.